this video, we will learn how to use the filter widget in the District of Summerland Spatial Viewer. The widget is located in the top right corner of the screen and is shaped like a funnel. When we open the widget panel, there are 4 preset layers we can filter. We will use the zoning filter as a demonstration. To use this filter, we must first ensure the layer is visible in the layer list. Now that the layer is visible, let's try the Is Any Of filter. Simply hit the drop-down arrow to the right and select any zoning categories we want to view. To view agricultural lands, select the checkboxes next to the top 2 options. Then apply the filter using the button to the right of zoning. It appears green when the filter is applied. To reset the filter, left-click the Filter Actions button in the bottom right-hand corner and click the Reset Filters button. We can also turn filters off if desired. Now if we want to view anything but agricultural land, we can use the Is None Of option under Zoning and select the same checkboxes. Now all land besides agricultural are viewable. There is also a Custom Filter option under the Filter Actions menu. This time, select Create a Custom Filter. We will filter roads this time under the Transportation category. We must turn the transportation layers on in the layer menu first, and I will turn off zoning as well. Then on the bottom left of the filter pane, select Add Expression. The first drop-down menu shows all the attributes we can filter on. We will use road classification. The second drop-down menu shows the custom filtering options. We will use Is Any Of so that we get a comprehensive list of options. If we want to view the highways in and out of the city, select that option and the filter is automatically applied. There is also an option to add multiple filters at once on a layer using the Add Set button in the bottom right of the pane. And to get back to the top menu, hit the back arrow in the top left of the widget pane.